I can get that around this trunk.
Oh, you're not going to be able to get the large
One that's fairly up front that's preventing me from getting in.
Oh, yeah, it's perfect for that.
Is what I'm trying to
Yeah.
We'll see if it works.
Okay. That should.
I think I can get it in there.
Okay.
I could get all of one.
Yeah. I hear you.
Okay. It's getting very slippery out.
Oh, yeah.
I imagine they'll want to take the larger branches out just from a safety point of view, because those can still come, breaking off at bad moments. Probably the trunk could stay in place, and certainly the root mass, there's no reason to interfere with it, because it's really not in anyone's way, I would think.
You ready?
Yeah. Okay. That'll
There we go.
give us a pathway to get all this stuff with Wendy's pulling it.